Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone and in this video you will learn how you can easily add Twitter feed for your site in Duda. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just click here on widgets, and when you're here you want to scroll down and find a social and Twitter feed. Take it and just paste it, and as you can see we got it here. You can go like design, you can just add your name here. Then you get like design, how many tweets you want, and the spacing. And just insert it to the, I don't know, like that. And just really play around it. But what you can do is when you're gonna add a container here. Oh, it's already container. Give me a second. Okay, let's add it again. Like this here. This is it. This is what I wanted. Nice. Spacing. No. Yes. Design. Spacing. Like this. Voila, it's in the middle. So this is how you can add Twitter feed. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. And yeah, thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.